What is up, guys? My name is Danny. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the exhaust system in the 66 Mustang. So let me show you the kit that we're going to install today. So basically this is the kit that we're going to use. It's a dual exhaust for a V8 engine. In my case, my car originally was 6-cylinder, so it wasn't a dual exhaust. If you have dual exhaust already and you're going to install this, you're going to use the same installation spots on the car to put all the brackets. In my case, we don't have that, so we need to drill some holes, but it's not something like really difficult. So it comes with all the piping, and these two, they're different lengths, so that way you can do the combination to match your set of headers, because every header is different. So I think this is the most difficult part of the project, because we need to find the perfect combination, or maybe we got to run to the store to get some pieces of pipe to finish the front. So it comes with all the brackets. They're here. All the brackets with the rubber. So all the clamps for every joint of the system. So basically what we're going to do first is we're going to drill the holes on the rear floor where the rear seat goes. You need to remove that if you have that installed, and then do those holes. Install this plate from the inside of the car, and then this piece, it will go on top like this. Like this. And then you will secure with the provide hardware. So let's get into it. All right, guys. Basically, we need to do the holes to install this plate. I just put some blue tape here. That way we can see all the marks. So let's measure. All right, the first hole is going to be 8 inches from the frame to the middle of the car, and 1.5 inches from this seam down. Not this, just the seam. Let's see how it goes. 8 inches. And 1.5 inches from this seam. The second hole is going to be 9 inches and 3/8 from the frame, and 2 inches and 3/8 from the seam all the way down. 9 inches and 3/8, it's around here. So I'm gonna punch the holes with this. I don't have the right tool, but this is gonna work. Now we're gonna drill the holes with a 3/8 drill bit. Now I'm going into the car to install this from the inside all the way through here. So now it's time to install one of the hangers through that plate. So basically we will slide that and use the hardware that it came with the kit, the lug washer and the nut. And this process need to be repeated on the other side of a car. Just be careful the other side, because you got the brake line really close to this. So when you drill, just be careful with that. I just used this one because it has a better look of what I'm doing. So just keep that in mind. So here at the frame, we need to install the other hanger on this hole towards the car. So we will just slide the hardware in and secure it with the lug washer and the nut. But I'm going to install this on the pipe because I was having a hard time doing the other side, installing first the hanger and then sliding the pipe in. It was really hard to install. So I'm going to install it on the pipe to see if it's better. Okay, let's just slide this pipe over the rear end. I got the hanger already installed. This is the one that I was talking about. For me, it's easier just to install it on the pipe and then put it on the frame because the hole is really tight. I'll get the bolt on the frame with a washer. And then slide the pipe in. And then we will use the washer, the lug washer, and the nut to secure this hanger. I'm not gonna tie it all the way because we need to move this pipe to install the muffler. Okay, we will install the hanger. And I'm gonna remove the clamp to proceed to install the pipe in place. Now that we have everything in place, I'm gonna tighten the clamp. Okay, so we got it in place. I'm gonna install the H pipe, and when we have everything connected, we will move or tie down whatever we need to do. Okay. Okay, install this one backwards. I mean, not backwards, I just need to switch it because this is the inlet, that's the outlet, so I didn't realize that I was hitting this, so I need to move that over. Guys, those are the tailpipes. That's how it looks like after everything is installed. We got the hanger here, and we got another one on the other side, and then the pipe goes over the rear end on both sides. We got the plate installed with the hanger and the rubber and the clamp holding the muffler with the piping. You guys can see here we get both mufflers. Let's go to the front. So here we got the H pipe in place. Remember that you need to keep some clearance between your drive shaft and the piping. So, oops, as you can see, it's not hitting anything. The drive shaft, it's clear. And right now we got the car in jack stand, so it should be like right height. And here is the fun part. So you started playing with all the components or the piping, and we need more clamps because I ran out of clamps, and AutoZone doesn't have the ones that I need. So we got the collector from the header. We need a clamp there. A little bit of flex pipe. It's not the fancy ones, but it will work until we get on to the exhaust shop to weld everything, and then use the combinations of 45 angles just to go there. And we did the same and the other side. That's a collector, 45, flex pipe. Here we use a little bit of a straight pipe, and then connect it to the 45 that is coming from the kit. So everything is pretty much connected. Sorry. Until we go to the exhaust shop in the meantime. So for now, I'll be good. So it was really tough doing this. I mean, with the car on jack stands. Obviously, if you have a lift, it'll be so much easier. But we made it. We got everything in place. So that's it. So install for the next video the e-brake system. I mean, just the cables, because the brakes are already in the car. It has the brake shoes for the e-brake, and I already installed all the components under the dashboard. So basically what we'll need, it's just connect the cables to the system. All right, so see you in the next one.